So Pinebury is all wool gear, moisture wicking, natural fibers, keeps you cool when it's hot, keeps you hot when it's cool. All made in USA. Beautiful colors, beautiful fabric, tested for durability, just made for performance, but also nice enough to wear out to dinner or lunch, casually running errands. I think the hoodie is a perfect commuter thing. If it's a little bit cooler, you can put the hood up, keep yourself nice and cool, very stylish, nice loose fit. And since it is wool, you wear it, you get a little bit sweaty. You air it out for a couple hours and it's right back to where it was. It doesn't smell, isn't wet, maintains its shape. So it's a really useful piece for travel, for cycling, or just for everyday casual wear. The t-shirts are made of the same wool material, really lightweight, great as a base layer to keep you warm when it's cooler, but you can also wear it as an outer casually when it's spring or summer. We make them with a pocket and without a pocket. Nice. So it's just that perfect intersection of you can wear it to cycle and it performs technically, or you can just wear it casually. So these are wool arm warmers. A lot of people have come over and said that they already have these, but they have them made of Lycra.
Okay.
And Lycra gets smelly and it stays smelly. So these are breathable because it's a natural fiber. And when it dries out, it doesn't maintain its odor. Natural fiber, breathable.
I commute 50 miles round trip in and out of DC, where it can get cold, hot, cold, hot.
It's just like you start your ride in the morning, it's a little bit chilly. But once you get going, you're pedaling, your body temperature rises. You don't have to stop and get off your bike and change your outfit. You can just peel these sleeves while you're moving, throw them in your pocket in the back, and you're at the right temperature. So this is designed to go under your helmet. This is also, it's a 90-10 merino nylon. That nylon is just for a little bit of recovery so it doesn't get blown out and stretched out after you wear it. But it fits tight to the head so you can wear it under a helmet. And once again, since it's merino, it's breathable. It keeps you at the right temperature and doesn't maintain any odor.
And it looks good.
Very beautiful. It's our Pinebury 5-panel camp cat. It's got this kind of closure in the back, little logo, some branding, and also made out of wool.
You've been out cycling all day and you pull over to your favorite, place to...
You'll do a little imbibing.
Yeah.
Yeah, no more helmet hair, no more beanie hair. Throw this
Do
on.
away with helmet hair.
There we go.